Now in this video, let us discuss the filling of electrons for atomic numbers from 11 to 20. So, for sodium, the atomic number is 11. So, electronic configuration will be written like 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Till here, 10 electrons were done. I told this thing in the last video. Now after 2p6, what comes is 3s. So 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 6 is 10. So 10 electrons are filled till 2p. Now where will go the 11th electron of sodium? In 3s. So that is why we are writing 3s1. Now when it comes to draw this electronic configuration, then it is drawn like this: 1s2, 2s2, then comes 2p6. Fill first of all singly, then pairing takes place. This was the Hund's rule. Then comes 3s1, right? So if you could see that this is the way of writing the electrons and this is the way of showing the electrons filled in the orbitals. Below these orbitals, I can write the name of the orbitals along with the number of electrons filled in it. So this is how I can write. Now here comes one more way of writing of configuration. You very well know 10 electrons represents neon gas, and for 10 electrons 1s2, 2s2 and 2p6 is the configuration. So if 10 electrons corresponds to this electronic configuration and this electronic configuration is for neon, तो इस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में इन प्लेस ऑफ 1s2, 2s2 एंड 2p6 हम नियॉन लिख सकते हैं क्योंकि वो नोबल गैस है. So this configuration, in place of this 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, if I substitute neon because it's the noble gas which represents this much part of the configuration, then this is one more way of writing the configuration. So this is the first way of writing the configuration where you write all the orbitals, and this is the second way of writing the electronic configuration where you take the part of the noble gas and represent that with the respective noble gas, and then the leftover part is written as it is. तो यहाँ पे हमने दो तरीके सीखे कि कैसे कॉन्फ़िगरेशन लिखें. एक तो नॉर्मल तरीका है कि सारे ऑर्बिटल्स विद देयर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आप लिख दें, और दूसरा है कि जितना हिस्सा नोबल गैस को रिप्रेजेंट करता है उतने हिस्से के लिए उसकी करस्पॉन्डिंग नोबल गैस लिखें और जो बचा हुआ पार्ट है वो एज इट इज लिख दें. सो दिस वाज द कॉन्फ़िगरेशन फॉर सोडियम. Now comes magnesium. Atomic number is 12. So the configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. One electron more than this. So here, now I will not draw this much because that is going to remain same. 1s2 same as above, 2s2 same as above, 2p6 also same as above. So I am drawing just 3s2. So 1 and 2. And this is what is 3s2, right? So for magnesium the configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, which will be drawn as drawn in the above example, and 3s2 will be like this: one first electron clockwise, the second one anti-clockwise. Now as I told you already that this much part represents the noble gas neon, so the configuration can be written like this also: neon 3s2, or simply you can write it like this: neon 3s2. Fine. Now for aluminium what can be done is, the configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Now 3s is also filled because s cannot hold more than 2 electrons. तो 3s के बाद कहाँ जाते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉन? 3p में. Now if you see यहाँ तक 10 हो गए थे, then 12, 13th electron of aluminium, that is the last electron, will go in 3p. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे, ये हमारा k शेल करस्पॉन्ड करता है, इतना पार्ट L शेल करस्पॉन्ड करता है, तो यहाँ 2 शेल्स फिल हो गई, यहाँ से थर्ड शेल चालू हो रही है. So what can be done is this much part we can omit. First shell done, second done, so leave them, and you draw only this much for easiness. So this is 3s2 and this is 3p1. So this is 3s2, this is 3p1. And similarly, as we have written in the above example, in place of the first 3 orbitals we have written neons. Similar case can be done here, and you can write neon 3s2 3p1. Similarly, for silicon atomic number 14, the configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p2. So 3s2 will also remain same as above. Now I will draw only 3p2. So 3p2 will be like this. First electron, then apply Hunt's rule. No pairing until each and every orbital is singly filled. इसीलिए second electron next orbital में आया. So this is corresponding to 3p2. Rest आगे का part सब ऊपर के जैसा रहेगा. So we can write it in short as, in place of this much part हम neon लिख सकते हैं. तो neon 3s2 3p2. So these are the two ways of writing. Both are correct. One is entire expanded form, the other is the small way of writing. Next is phosphorus. So atomic number 15, 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2, this much is same, representing 12 electrons. Then next 3 will go in 3p, so it will be 3p3. Now when it comes to drawing, 3p3 is having 1 electron each in the orbital of 3p. So this is 3p3. Now in place of this much portion, again if I write neon, then this will be neon 3p3, or 3s2 is left over, neon 3s2 3p3. So one way is this one, the other is this, and this is how we draw. So before 3p3, the others will be drawn as drawn in the above example. Now atomic number 16 is for sulfur. So configuration will be 1s2 2s2 2p6. Till here there are 10 electrons. Then 3s2 12. What is left? 4 electrons. So the all 4 will go in 3p, and we will write 3p4. So how to draw 3p4? If you want to draw 3p4, then draw 3p. You should write below that which orbital you are drawing. So 3p4 means first, second, third singly filled. Then Hunt's rule, 4th electron will be filled in the first orbital, and rest all will be drawn as you have drawn in the previous examples. So that is why I am not repeating. Now as I told you, this much portion represents what? Neon. So neon 3s2 3p4 is the other way of writing for sulfur. Now chlorine configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p5, because 4 after 4 the 5th electron will go in 3p only. P can hold 6 electrons. So here were 4, 5, still one more can be filled. So how we will draw 3p5? Draw the p orbital of 3p. So 3p5 means what? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is how. And as I told you earlier, this much part represents neon. So we can write the configuration in one more way, that is neon 3s2 3p5. So this is the first way, the expanded entire form, and this is the second form. Both are correct. Now for 18, the configuration will be 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2. Now till here 12 electrons are done. Next 6 will go in 3p, because p can hold 6 electrons. So here I am drawing only what? 3p 6. So p has 3 orbitals, 1 2 3. Now apply Hunt's rule, pairing will take place. So this is how 3p is entirely filled. So it's just one more extra electron in the next element. Every step this is going to happen. तो यहाँ पर देखिए, this much part represents neon. So the second configuration, this was the first way of writing, this was the way of drawing. And how to write in the second way of configuration. In place of 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 we have written neon. Then what will come? 3s2, 3p6, right? Now we very well know here comes a change. After 3p in Aufbau diagram what comes is 3d, but 3d is not filled, rather filling the electrons in 3d we will fill the electrons in 4s, because 4s has the lower energy than 3d. So we'll write the configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. This much represents 10 electrons, then 12, 3p6. This much represents how many electrons? This represents 18 electrons, and then it has 19, so 19th electron will go in 4s. So here you have to keep in mind that 19th electron of potassium should go in 3d, but it is going in 4s due to energy reasons as explained already. So here we will draw only 4s. This is 4s1. Now we very well know again the one more noble gas has arrived. You see 3p6 is filled. So till here we are having 18 electrons, and these 18 electrons they represents the configuration of argon. Argon is this, it's a noble gas. So this is again a noble gas. So whenever we get a noble gas, the configuration of the noble gas can be represented in the next element with its symbol. तो हम यहाँ इतने हिस्से को argon बोल सकते हैं. So it is left what? 4s1. So this is the first expanded form of writing, and this is the second way of writing. Now comes calcium. So for calcium what will be the configuration? It will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 10 electrons still here, then 3s2, then will come 3p6, so 18 till here, and then 4s2. So 20th electron of calcium is filled in 4s. So we will draw it like this, 4s2. So this is the last one, the 20th electron of calcium is filled here in 4s. Okay, so we already know that 18 electrons till 3p6 represent what? Argon. So we can put and write this configuration as argon 4s2, right? So you should know in calcium 4s is the shell which is completely filled, or I should say 4s is the subshell which is totally filled. Now after 4s, when we start with 21 atomic number, that is for scandium, there will come a change that I'll explain in the next video, where we will discuss the filling of electrons for atomic numbers 21 to 30. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching.